My people, just listen to this. Listen to it. Listen to this.
It's gonna be huge. Only challenge I'm finding in Acholi is one of the challenges I'm finding, seriously, I want to employ people, but people are lazy. And that is a fact. And no. And I do not deal with lazy people. I'm really sorry. Because I...
Beatrice Mao. What did you say? You said the people of Acholi are lazy. I want to say one thing to you, Madam Beatrice Mao. I have encountered you once. I've heard the way you speak to your workers. You were on phone at Acholi Inn, to be very specific. And Chairman Mao was busy greeting people. You were there on phone that day. You were shouting at whoever you were talking to, 90,000, I don't know, 140 something. You were shouting at that person. Madam, the people of Acholi are very hardworking. For your information, we do not want disrespect. Have you ever heard the phrase Acholi dek me? Hey, we don't want to be disrespected. The people you're working with are fathers, mothers, daughters, and sons of someone. They're not animals on your farm. You shout at them, you belittle them, you make them feel less human. You feel like you're helping them by employing them as though they're not giving you a service. Madam, the way you spoke with those people, even me, I wouldn't wish to work with you. I wouldn't. Because how can you talk to a person like that? And then you come and say, oh, the people of Acholi are lazy. No, we are not lazy. You are wrong. And I believe that by now you should have learned, at least from Chairman Mao, how to communicate to people. Also by association with our Chairman Mao, you should have learned by now that the people of Acholi do not like such kind of behavior and attitude. You came to Acholi land, you were welcomed, and you think because people welcomed you very well, you can treat them anyhow? No. Change the way you speak with people. Talk to us like we are human beings. And you get the service. Because, I mean, you're employing someone, they need the money. Hey. Now, Maxwell says it's true, we are very lazy compared to other regions that he's been to within Uganda. I can tell you that I have been to almost all the regions in Uganda. And what I have seen there does not compare to what I have seen in Acholi sub-region. I can tell you for a fact that the people of Acholi are not lazy. There could be a few individuals who do not want to work, but they are not lazy. Also, the people who are coming here saying, oh, Acholi are very lazy. What kind of job are you giving them? People have this mentality that if the job is manual labor, it involves hard work, call the Acholi. If that job involves manual work, you want somebody to die on your farm with meager pay. Some of you are there saying people are lazy. You take people's daughters as house helps, paying 50,000 shillings, and you expect exceptional work. So why would I come and work for you for meager pay? The work is a lot, and then you pay me very little. You know, you should know that the Acholi sub-region has been taken back 22 years, the period that we lived in that conflict. 22 years of people living in IDP camps. People lost their culture. We lost our culture. We stayed in the IDP. While other regions were busy promoting their cultures, promoting agriculture, like doing all kinds of livelihood activities. So there are 22 years, many of us were born in the IDP camps. We did not hold hoes growing up. So for you to come here and tell me and call me lazy just because I cannot dig, I think you are wrong. Because laziness is not measured by someone farming. There are very many actually people who are successful in very different ways. Why would my failure to dig in your garden be a yardstick for you to call me lazy? Have you tried my other skills? I think we need to be guided here. Because you cannot give somebody manual work, hard labor, and you're saying the person is lazy at the end of the day. You is giving that work. Have you done it? Have you tried it? You just stand there on your high horses shouting commands to people because you're giving them 10,000, 15,000 per day. I think we need to be guided. I do not agree with this narrative, and it is something that we need to stop with immediate effect. The people of Acholi are very hardworking. In any case, the reason as to why the people keep on saying, oh, you need this done, call an Acholi, call a Luo person, call this, it's because they know that we work, and we work diligently. So you will not come here and disrespect us. And to all of you who are agreeing with this notion, I think it is an individual problem. But if you are agreeing to it because it is Mao's wife that has said it, please be guided that we shall not allow to be disrespected, overworked, and underpaid. Thank you so much.